How to buy fast money lifestyle token. So this token came under the symbol of FML. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 hours ago and it increased by 18,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy token address and open your funds mind for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this also going to click on it. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much you will be able to receive. Now, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So, this is how to buy FML token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.